Hi, so today we're going to be showing you how to get this look. So it is a Dutch braided mohawk, kind of Viking style. I think it's cute. And this is my little helper who's going to be helping me out today.
Hi.
So stay tuned if you want to see how we got it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is split your hair into 3 sections. So we're going to start out right here. Okay, after we have our 3 separate sections, we're going to go in and we're going to braid this part right here. Alright, and then that third piece, we're going to split that one about right here down on the head. And then from here, we're going to split just a little bit off the side. Just going to bring those back for later. Okay, and then we're just going to start braiding forward. Okay, then once we get to this front section, we're going to do just a little bit more. Then we're going to put a rubber band in here. Then from here, we're going to flip the hair back. It's going to pull a little bit of hair out here. And then we're going to take those 2 sections that we pulled back. Then we're going to make 3 sections right here. And then start braiding those in. And then once we get here, we're just going to take some hair and kind of pull it back. Careful not to pull these ends. We don't want to pull those, so we're just going to pull the middle pieces here. And then we're just going to finish braiding down here. And then this last bottom piece, we're going to pull up here into a ponytail.